T500. This one is fast. It's for race. Cool. Wow. What a bike. My first bike was a T500. My first bike was a Suzuki T500. I always loved the bike with the drum brake. Really going. What a cool bike. Very cool. Engine is completely done for this bike. What a beauty. The fairing is missing, but we have. We'll make another video with the fairing on it. So it's the first video. We'll make another one. But you can see it's very nice. The bike is for sale. If you're interested in this one, contact us for price. Delivery worldwide. Very fast. Very good looking when it's completed with fairing. So if you like the video, follow us on the YouTube channel, on our socials, and visit the website to subscribe. You can see all prices. What a bike. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.